Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AMB-Review. Today I will show you an exclusive review for MinuteKit AI, so let's check it out. MinuteKit AI. 7 complete lead and product funnels with lead pages, lead magnets, download pages, written emails, product upsells, product downsells, cross-sells, members area. You keep 100% of all sales. Hosted websites with entire product funnels. And ongoing affiliate sales from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. Using our traffic. World's fastest website collection ready in under 1 minute. Your MinuteKit AI pack includes Traffic Warrior website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Affiliate Wisdom website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Startup Survival Kit website, hosted lead and product funnel. Launch Rocket website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Copy Cash Cow website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Fish Method website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Social Media Superstar website, hosted lead and product funnel. 100% commissions, on $9.97, $22, $27 and $47 products in your funnels. Ongoing commissions, managed JVZoo, W Plus and ClickBank promos. No limits, add unlimited subscribers and customers on all 7 websites. Easy setup, live in under 1 minute even if you're totally new to this. Optional, integrations, connect ARs, bots, scripts, webinars and more. Bonus funnels. Pick 2 new funnels every month, no charge. Bonus Builder, drag and drop our templates to make custom funnels. You can see also the vendor Cindy Donovan. MinuteKit AI official website demo review.
Got a minute? Because that's all it will take for you to have 7 content-packed digital products live and getting traffic. Not even 1 per minute. I'm talking about having all 7 ready in less than 1 minute from now. MinuteKit cuts out having to research, create, write, design, upload files or do anything technical. And by activating one simple setting, you'll have 7 complete products with a high converting lead magnet, download and delivery pages, multiple upsell offers, downsell offers, and an enticing cross-sell process, selling $9.97, $27 and $47 products with handwritten emails you don't have to even set up, edit, or customize in any way. But that's just the beginning. After someone subscribes to any one of your 7 funnel entry points, they'll get 30 days of handwritten, hosted, and automatically delivered emails that follow up to close sales of your funnel's products. Once that 30 days is over, our team finds perfectly matched products from hot upcoming launches and proven high converting evergreen affiliate offers. We review the products, create bonuses, and send handcrafted email promotions to your subscribers, adding your affiliate links in every single email. Does it work? You betcha! We've been building funnels and managing people's lists for over 12 years, seeing complete beginners get their first leads and sales, and affiliate marketing pros see random commissions popping up from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank dropping in after adding one of our done-for-you banners to a download page or a bonus page, or copy and pasting one of our done-for-you email swipes to share a gift with their subscribers months ago. We've made hundreds of profitable funnels and managed lists for thousands of people. So while this isn't our first, I can definitely say this bundle is absolutely the best we've ever released, letting anyone, no matter what the skill level, enter the internet marketing space confidently in under a minute. But what if you want to build lists and get sales in a niche we haven't covered in this bundle, or something outside of internet marketing entirely? Well, you're in luck. As an added bonus, we're giving you access to our core membership platform, FunnelMates. In fact, that's part of the reason this 7-part bundle is so simple to use, because while this collection of sales funnels is completely new, the foundation it's built on is rock solid and backed by years of development, support, and sales experience. As part of your access, you can explore our gigantic members-only marketplace and take your pick of 2 brand new done-for-you funnels at no extra charge each and every month. With over 400 to choose from and new funnels being added every day, finding what you need is a piece of cake. But what if you still can't find what you need? Well, that's okay too. When you grab Minute Kit today, we'll also include access to our cloud-based funnel builder software, templates, email sequence templates, and a whole lot more completely free of charge. So right out of the box, Minute Kit is built for you, set up, hosted, and filled with your profit links on all of the pages and inside every email. There's no complicated customization or expensive integrations, so you can activate it and let us manage it for you, sending payments directly to your JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank accounts. If you want more flexibility, our system has that too. You're able to connect your own autoresponder, webinar software, or SMS messaging tools, add your own tracking scripts, heat mapping or messenger bots, track your clicks and conversions in real time, use your own domain name, and so much more. Now, to be honest, you could do most of this on your own. You'd have to pay for hosting, domain names, autoresponder software, designers, developers, copywriters, and membership software. Then spend some time pulling it all together, creating the funnels so that they flow, crafting emails that close the sales across your collection of products, and then put all of the links in the emails, schedule them so that they go out right at the right time. Now, that's just the sales tech and the marketing side of things. The foundation of any good product is, of course, the product itself. So you need to research, create the product, and set up the members area. And make sure that your customers get what they've paid for and are really happy with the products you give them, helping them with any support issues that they might have too. Then once you've done that for one, you can start working on the other 6 product funnels. So sure, you could do it, but why would you when you can save months of frustration and thousands of dollars on something that might or might not even work? We can do it all for you in under a minute. So here's what you need to do to get started. Below this video, you'll see a button. Click that and add your payment details, and we'll create your 2 special Minute Kit accounts. The first login you'll receive gives you access to FunnelMates. Your 7 websites will be waiting for you on your funnels page. The second login you'll get is your Minute Kit training zone. Your funnels are basically ready immediately, but as you might have noticed, we love to over-deliver. So in that first video, we'll show you the button to click to get your funnels live. Then we'll show you how to activate your inbuilt traffic systems and turn your product collection into a sustainable and growing online business. It's waiting for you on the other side of that button. So click it and get started. I look forward to seeing you on the next page. Hello and welcome to this short demo video where I'm going to show you how Minute Kit works, everything that's included, and how easy it is to get set up. Now, first up, if you're not familiar with FunnelMates, you're really going to love this because we're using FunnelMates as a platform where we're delivering our funnels. So when you buy Minute Kit, you're going to get access to this whole system. And I'm going to show you the funnel section in just a moment. But to get set up, it's really easy. So we have in settings, you come here, click on settings, add your JVZoo ID in here. Now, if you've never had a JVZoo account or you're not sure what to do or where to find your ID, we've got some videos down here, so you do that. Once you save that, everything is branded. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by everything in just a moment. You're going to get 7 funnels. Each of these funnels has a landing page. So this is an example of one of the funnels that you'll get. So it's got a video on there, a great list of benefits and reasons why they should opt in, and of course the email opt-in form. Now once they add their email address, they're going to go to this page and they will see a message here to make sure that they get subscribed. We use double opt-in because they're the most responsive kind of list. You're not just having people using fake emails or building a list that will never open your emails. We want to make sure they're going to open. So we show them this page. Now, once they confirm, they're going to see this. And this is your confirmation page. All of the downloads are sent here that we're delivering on that landing page. You'll see here we've got share prompts. We've got all the downloads here and all the download videos. And each of these 7 are completely unique. Now over here you'll see click here to upgrade. This here is where the real magic kicks in, because when they click here, I'll show you, they're going to go over to this page. So here you've got a lot of really good value content. Click here to upgrade, where we have an exclusive one-time offer, and there's a sales video here that will encourage them to upgrade their access, and it's only $9.97, so it's really good value. When they buy here, they're going to get access to a members area. They're going to get access to the advanced series and a few other bonuses that we give them on your behalf. Now, if they buy that, come over here and they will see this upgrade. So this upgrade will give them a whole lot more. So it gives them all of the access here. It gives them 7, basically everything. So everything that you can download in all of the 7. So all of the upgrades, the first one-time OTOs, that whole bundle for $27. There's also a downsell here. If they buy that, there's one more upsell. And in this upsell, we sell them access to the Minute Kit affiliate training. Right? We've actually repackaged it so you can sell Minute Kit yourself as part of the funnel. So, and that one there's $47. So you'll see a whole sales letter here showing them exactly what it is that they're going to get. The best thing is you're going to get 100% commissions throughout the funnel. So you'll get it on the $9.97 offer, on the downsells, on all of these upsells. So each of these funnels is built to build your list. It is built to get you sales. And it's not just one funnel, right? We've got 7 funnels. I'll show you that. Oh, let me actually show you this first. So over here, we have a complete follow-up series, and you won't even see this. This happens automatically. When someone signs up for for that free download, they will see a whole bunch of these really good quality emails, and we have a whole month's supply of emails. Now, the beauty of this is we are sending them to your sales page. See this here? Click more to find out today. We're sending them over to your, where is it over here? We're sending them to this to begin with. And as we progress through the sequence, we recommend other pieces, other bits and pieces, right? And they all go with your link. So it goes directly to your sales page, getting you 100% commissions. Now, so you can see, it's got a whole lot of really good emails written, and these will all go out automatically for you. Now we have 7 of these, so you've just seen one of them with the sales page, the access page, download, all like the upsell funnels. We have this one here, which is Copy Cash Cow, Social Media Superstar, and all of these are giving away heaps of stuff. This has got a content marketing social calendar, complete editable templates. So these are ones that you can edit. We've got holiday themed ones for the holidays coming up, so that's perfect. So we have a whole bundle of really great things that social media, people interested in social media are going to want. We have this one here, Shiny Object Syndrome. This one's all glittery. This one is a 1-hour training course and resource kit that it's one of my most popular training templates that we give away. So we've packaged that up as something that you can give away. People really love this one. This one, Launch Rocket. So we've got a launch one on how to create your own products, and this one gives away some really great stuff. This one here, you get 8 PLR products.
And it follows up promoting a bundle of like a startup kit kind of product. Again, similar thing, a whole bunch of different, an entire funnel. It's basically an entire funnel. So you've got upsells, downsells, cross sells. And the beauty of that first funnel where you put people in is they will also get promotions for these other products. So you just need to put them into one funnel, give away this gift. This one here is traffic. So this one's all about traffic, and we've got a sales page, we've got dot points. I'm showing you what this 10-part video series will deliver, and this is free. So you can just, if you need a bonus or you've got some people asking about traffic, you can just share your link and then you can build a list and you can get sales. Now, all of this is really easy. You're going to get these 7 automatically added into your funnels page, and I'm going to click over to this account so you can just see what one of them looks like. You'll get 7 like this. You need to just click on the promotional links. Now for this whole funnel, all of the upsells, downsells, everything, if you request for this, and this is in an account that we own, so we guarantee you approval. You don't have to worry about chasing up vendors. So you just need to log in. I'm not logged in on this account, but log in, request, and you'll see it's got 9 products in the funnel. So you can see all of the products in the funnel. You'll get 100% of all of those products in the funnel. So everything is going to be completely tagged to you. So you just need to send one request, and then all 7 of them, all the products in the sequence, everything is branded to you. So you only need to do that one. That one there's just so that we can link within the email sequence for you, but you don't have to request. Anyway, so when you get access to this, you send your request, and then on this funnel link and traffic kit, and we've got everything here for you. So you just, this is your link that's all ready to go. You've got a QR code. This is good if you're doing offline stuff, but we've also got a QR code there, obviously, you know, specific to this. We have some banners here, so you can use banners. This is really cool if you need a bonus, like a back-end bonus or something like that. You can just copy and paste, and it's already branded to you. If you click here, it'll post over to Facebook, and you can see it's already got your link here. So you can click post to Facebook, post on Twitter, post on LinkedIn, and we have an email swipe here. So if you already have a list, then you can go ahead and just copy and paste, and it already adds your name in here. I'm just using Andrew's account. I hope he doesn't mind. It'll add your link, it'll add your name, so you can literally just copy, paste, share this, and start building your list. And by your list, you can actually connect your own. So we have a whole bunch of integrations. Connect your Aweber, GetResponse, basically any email service provider we have in there. And if we don't, you can contact us and we'll have a look into it, and we'll try and get that connected. This platform is, you know, it's years of work that we put into this, and we're really excited to be able to get this in your hands. You'll be able to see your clicks and conversions over here, but because we're sending directly to your JVZoo links, once, you know, you remember at the start, we just put your JVZoo ID in the settings. Everything is branded to you. So all follow-ups go out with your links, and everything is hard-coded. All of those, that 30 days will go out on your behalf. After that 30 days, one other thing I should share with you, this system is really massive. So I'm trying to give it to you in a nutshell. Basically, it is very, very easy. It's really easy for you to use and promote. Give away these things. It's ready. As soon as you've just put your JVZoo ID and you send your affiliate request, it's ready to start sharing. So, it's so easy. Down here, after we go through that 30 days, we add ongoing affiliate promotions. So whatever we got a typo over, so typo. So what you need to do is just come here. You can see what products are launching, when they're launching, and after that 30 days, we send out promotions for you. So this one here, Quiz Studios coming up. We've got Marketing Blocks is running right at the moment. So if you've built lists in this, we promote on your behalf. We will just keep promoting for you until these people unsubscribe until they buy. It can be a very, very profitable, it's really profitable just to send traffic to these pages, just give stuff away. I'm very excited to get you into this. This system works. It's an amazing platform. As you can see, we've got a lot of people who are already using them, and we give away cash prizes. Lots of people are active members in here. We've got like hundreds of people who are using this. Come in, use MinuteKit, and it is our biggest and best thing that we've released so far. So I look forward to hearing your experience with MinuteKit and Inside of Funnel Mates, and I can't wait to get this in your hands. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.